Today we get our keys to our new and first ever Lala Hijabs facility, and we're on our way to get them now. There's the girls with Daddy. Girls, you excited?
Yeah!
So this is going towards the front entrance. It's actually, looks like it's outside, but this is all indoors. And here's our unit up here. Come on, girls. What's that?
Attention, Will. I'm Will. Woohoo!
Last time I checked, you were Will.
And we got mail. Oh, so many keys.
Bismillah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Yay!
Don't touch the walls, it's just fresh paint.
And in we go. Bismillah.
Clear. Hold it.
Yep, fresh paint.
What is it?
Beauty.
So when we first saw this space, we saw incredible potential, a lot of work to do, but a lot of potential. So obviously we are going to be gutting as much as we can. The flooring is going to go, the walls are going to get painted. It's going to be super nice and fresh. We're also going to be redoing the bathroom completely. There's just so much that we could do in this space, and we're super excited to turn it into something really nice and potentially a new home for Lala Hijabs. You excited?
Very excited. A lot of work.
A lot of work. We're gonna paint these walls completely white. This one's kind of already white.
It's going more white.
Yep, and then this area will be like our staff lunch area. So this bathroom is obviously only going to be used for staff, but it really had a lot of work that needed to be done. It was not really taken care of, and we basically took everything out and started from scratch. The vanity, the flooring, the walls, the mold, like everything was removed, and we redid everything. So can't wait to show you guys towards the end of this video. But here is a shot of the first Salah in the warehouse. Today is day one of renovations. We've got some awesome people that are doing the flooring and the painting and the renos. So we are about to go and check out the warehouse and see what the progress is like.
So we are going to film Sana's response to day one of our construction project here at Lala Hijabs. So Sana, come on in.
Look at the floors! They're so pretty! Wow!
Gorgeous. And you gotta love it when your construction workers left their mat out for their prayer.
Oh my goodness.
Let's look at it from here. You walk in.
This looks really good. Oh, wow. All right, so floors are now in. And they're looking good. Way better than the carpet that we had a few days ago. Baseboards still need to go in. Is that what the baseboards are gonna look like?
Well, different mats, not minions. Where is the mat?
Oh, that's gonna be nice. Do they need to be painted?
They're just primed, so.
Yeah. I'm really happy. I think it looks really good. While all the renos are happening and the girls have to be here, we got them this cute little dollhouse from Costco. And hey!
Out the door.
Hi!
Hi.
Are you having fun?
Yeah.
Z, are you having fun? Are you sleeping?
Yeah. We colored the whole thing at home.
I know, I love it. Look at this. How cute is this? You having fun in there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're just keeping it like private with the windows closed.
That's so cute. It's like a little gingerbread house, basically. They're having a good time. Move your head. Move your head now. I'm not moving the camera.
Oh, that's so awesome.
That's so cool.
Yeah, you have to show me that.
So we got a new camera, a new vlogging camera. This is really cool. It like literally follows me. That is so cool. So today is day 3 of renovations and we are just heading there right now. The flooring has gone in to the office and the trim should be done, and I think they've also started priming, but I'm not 100%. So let's go and check it out together. All right, so we just walked into the warehouse and I'm not sure if you can see. I'm trying to figure out how to use this camera, but there's the fancy desk. This is our reception desk. And look at the flooring. The flooring is so good. It looks awesome. And we temporarily got this little house for the kids so that they can kind of hang out here while we are getting things ready. It looks like the baseboards are not on yet, but they painted the bathroom already. So that's nice and white. Flooring still needs to go in.
Walls are primed.
Walls are primed. Look at this. So, yep, looks like all the walls have been primed. They took off all the, oh, they didn't take off the random things.
It's already primed. Prime that wall, the whole back wall, all the way up, and then
That's pretty cool. So here is the garage door, and then here. Hi, sweetie.
I'm just waiting for Dada to like get the stuff, that way I can grab it from here.
That's so cute. The flooring looks really good. We're gonna start shifting a lot of the supplies to the warehouse today because it is move-in ready. So let's get going. All right, so here's the progress for the warehouse so far. We've got the reception desk and our computer.
And a bit of toys.
Some stuff here to entertain the kids while we get things ready. And here's the reception desk. We only have the computer right now. I actually just got the printer. It's right down there. So that's going to be going in today, as well as the thermal printer. And then if we go in over here. Okay, so bathroom looks absolutely incredible. So the floors have been updated, new molding, new paint, new vanity, new lights. Look at this. So we do, obviously there's only one light bulb right now. But here's the new vanity. We still have to put the mirror in, and we're gonna put a backsplash in as well. But here's the vanity. And so far it looks pretty amazing from what it looked like before. The warehouse is still coming along. We now have our sink station set up over here. Had the plumber come in and do the tiling and everything there. This area over here will be our staff room, so we're still working on that. And slowly but surely it is coming along. Super excited. We hope you guys enjoyed this little sneak peek into the renovations for our new warehouse and showroom, and coming soon we'll do a full reveal once everything is nice and set up and ready to go.